Hello friends, welcome to Heaven in 999 channel. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Friends, here I am coming with technical information about new Oneplus Nord CE3 8GB RAM with 128GB. Let's unbox it and see the detail of information. Let's open the box and see the X series and details. After opening box, here you get small another box of OnePlus, which may be included with quick start guide and manual. Here is the phone and other accessories like adapter and cable with a box with all complete of accessories. So OnePlus box, here we get another small box which include the necessity information of documents and providing their brand stickers and logos as per model and device. OnePlus Nord always cares about their model, so which provide necessary equipment and necessary documents. Here we get small SIM ejection tool. After that, one back cover of plastic and red cable of specially made for OnePlus Nord and 80-watt charger which support the device with a fast charging. Red cable club card which give membership provision and also the logos and sticker with a quick start guide and manual which give necessary things to operate device and care towards device accessories. Let's open the lid of the device and see other details. Here we look how OnePlus Nord CE3 model look with sufficient and attractive new limelight color which provide more efficiency and also give more attractiveness towards the particular model and also give new touch towards Nord CE3 models and upgradable color which necessary towards new technology. Let's on the device and see the other details of new information. Here is starting new device with the logo of OnePlus and here I am setting necessity operative systems towards smooth running of device and fulfill necessity information to agree terms and condition. After a quick setup, the device look like with a lime green color which catchy color for new system of device and also the necessity application comes with Oxygen OS which also provide systematic and necessary application towards new device. back look of the device which give a best quality premium look. And also the camera bumps comes out which give a more look and touch towards the new device. And 108 megapixel camera of back and comes with a 2+2 small depth sensor and also flash light. The new device comes with jack phone and stereo speaker with up and down volume keys with SIM tray, 1+1 SIM or 1 SIM and 1 Microsoft SD card. And processor support application run smartly and smooth process towards new device. Comes with Qualcomm processor with 695 5G octa-core, 5000 mAh battery, 6.72 inches of screen, 8 GB RAM with 108 MP, 2+2 MP for depth sensor with 13 oxygen OS. Here are some sample for photos and videos. You can only make photos and videos with HD quality with 1080, and also it support only HD quality of video record. Here are some samples towards videos and photos which helpful to indoor and outdoor clearly objects can open. And SIM tray comes with 1+1 or 1 micro SD card with 1 SIM. And back look of the new model of Oneplus Nord CE3 comes with camera bumps with 108 2+2 depth sensor and flashlight. You can add the back cover for safety which helpful to scratchless and very smooth operating of new device. And also 5G faster phone help to browse the internet and other application run smoothly for up to date with new other 3 years of patch level and other OS operating system of update. You can look out some camera and video examples over here for how the device performance towards camera, portrait mode and also an videography. And stereo speaker equally distribute with a stereo system for new device. Nord CE3 Lite comes with 108 and 2+2 main camera with depth sensor and also flashlight. Here are two variants, comes with 8 128 and 8 of 256. The new model comes with grey and green, lime green color which give depth. 1.8 aperture which also difference photography and video clarity towards new device with best performance. It cannot support 4K but you can record in HD quality of 1080 and all X series and necessities which give in this box which make more proud towards new device comes with all X series. So friends, here is my honest opinion towards new OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G smartphone. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.